You don't need fans to get streams. Let me say that again. You don't need a single fan to hit 1,000 streams. I did it last month with nothing but AI music and a simple strategy. Here's exactly how. Most people think you need a big following. You need virality. You need luck. None of that is true. The algorithm doesn't care who you are. It cares about signals, engagement, saves, playlist ads, completion rate. Get those signals right and the algorithm does the work for you. Here's the step-by-step plan. First, release more music than you think you need. One song is not a strategy. One song gets lost in 60,000 daily uploads on Spotify. You need volume. Aim for one song every week. That's 52 songs per year. Each song is a new chance to trigger the algorithm. Each release gives you fresh metadata for discovery. Volume is your #1 advantage as an AI artist. You can create in hours what takes others months. Use that. Set a schedule and stick to it. Tuesday or Friday. Same day every week. Consistency signals reliability to the algorithm. Second, nail your metadata. This is boring, but it's the most important thing you'll do. Your song title matters. Your artist name matters. Genre tags, mood tags, descriptions. All of it feeds Spotify's recommendation engine. Use specific keywords in your titles. Don't call it summer vibes. Call it chill, lo-fi hip-hop for studying. That second title tells Spotify exactly who to show it to. The algorithm is not smart, it's literal. Feed it literally what you want it to understand. Add 3 genre tags per song. Add 3 mood tags. Fill every field DistroKid gives you. Empty fields are missed opportunities. Third, pre-save campaigns. I know, you've heard this before, but are you actually doing it? DistroKid gives you hyperfollow for free. It's a landing page that collects pre-saves before your release. Spotify sees those pre-saves as intent signals. 20 pre-saves is better than 0. 100 pre-saves can trigger the algorithmic playlists. Set up hyperfollow 2 weeks before release. Share the link everywhere. Yes, everywhere. Reddit, Discord, X, Instagram. Don't be embarrassed. You're not spamming. You're telling people about your music. Post the link 3 times per platform. Morning, afternoon, evening. Different time zones, different audiences. Fourth, pitch to Spotify for artists. This takes 5 minutes and most people skip it. When you upload through DistroKid, your song appears in Spotify for artists about a week before release. Go there, click pitch a song, fill out the form, tell Spotify what genre, what mood, what instruments. Tell them if you're on any playlists already. Even a small playlist counts. Spotify's editorial team actually reads these. I've had songs land on Fresh Finds and New Music Friday from pitching alone. It's free distribution for your music. Use it. Fifth, create a playlist ecosystem. Don't just make one playlist, make 3. One with your music mixed with similar artists. One with only your catalog arranged by mood. One with trending songs in your genre. Update them weekly. This is how you build algorithmic authority. Spotify tracks what curators are active. An active curator who updates playlists weekly gets more algorithmic trust. And guess what? Your own songs sit at the top of your playlists. That's not cheating, that's strategy. Sixth, leverage YouTube Content ID. This is the hidden weapon. When you distribute through DistroKid, your songs get registered with YouTube Content ID. Every time someone uses your song in a video, you get paid. But more importantly, Content ID creates a digital fingerprint. YouTube's algorithm now knows your music exists. That fingerprint gets matched across the platform. One viral short using your song can bring thousands of new listeners. Enable Content ID on every release. It's one checkbox in DistroKid. Do not skip it. Seventh, post short-form content. Not music videos, short form. 15 to 30 seconds. A lyric snippet. A behind the scenes of your AI workflow. A reaction to your own song. Post it on YouTube Shorts. Post it on Instagram Reels. Post it on TikTok. Each platform is a discovery engine. Each view is a potential stream. You don't need 1 million views. 10 views per short, 3 shorts per song, 52 songs per year. That's 1,560 discovery moments. Math doesn't lie. Volume compounds. Here's the insight most people miss. Streaming is not about being discovered. It's about being recommended. Discovery is passive. You wait for someone to find you. Recommendation is active. The algorithm pushes you to people it thinks will like you.